how does an order of protection differ from a divorce? Well, an order of protection requires that there is a romantic relationship between the parties, that they lived together in the past or something along those lines. Its question is whether the defendant committed an act of domestic violence. An act of domestic violence is defined by one of several statutes. It could be as severe as attempted murder. It could be as seemingly innocuous as preventing somebody from calling 911 in an emergency. The burden of proof with orders of protection are not as strict as with criminal. When we file for an order of protection, all we have to show the court is by a preponderance of the evidence that an act of domestic violence occurred. So it's a lot easier to get an order of protection than it is to have criminal charges successfully filed and brought and convict somebody. Preponderance of the evidence means that it is more likely than not that the act of domestic violence occurred. It is the burden of the person making the accusation to prove it. So if you can't prove it, the order of protection won't be upheld.